Holy smokes, we're dropping like it's hot. What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Hope you're doing well. Emergency update. Red. Holy smokes. Is this a buying opportunity or is this a buying opportunity? Wow. Bitcoin holding strong. Doge down. Matic down. ADA down. Avalanche down. I mean, you name it. Gala down. Holy smokes. If you're in the short, hold on for the ride. Look at these drops. Holy smokes. Hope you're doing well. If you're just waking up or if you just caught wind of this, holy smokes. Check your portfolio. Make sure that you are in the trade to win it. And can this be a good DCA opportunity? Well, let's get into it because guess what? Bitcoin is coming up to a key level of support. It has yet to fall like the rest of them. Same with Ethereum. Ethereum down 5%, has yet to fall like the rest of them. Can they fall? Will they fall? Bitcoin dominance. Let's go over and check this emergency update. Holy smokes, it's like a catapult. It has launched to the moon. It is flying upwards. People are panicking. They're throwing their coins into BTC as a safe haven. What's going on with the Twitterverse? XRP down. Solana down. ADA down. Well, guess what? I said in my Discord, I'm filling up the bags because you know what? With these good projects, this is a flash sale in my opinion. In my opinion, this is a flash sale, not financial advice, but for you guys to keep updated, to keep informed. We got this, and we're looking for this to fall down and create some lower lows so we can accumulate and possibly fill our bags. We'll talk to you guys about some targets we got for Matic, some targets we got for Bitcoin, and some targets we have for Ethereum and all the rest of them because why not? This is great. So buckle up, take off your hats. Let's go. Jumping into the Big Daddy Kane, Bitcoin, who's holding up where the dominance is at. And we're at 25,560, okay? And we have some levels below us, okay? I want to share these levels as fast as possible so that you guys can get the information and make your own decisions because we like to keep you informed. So don't forget to like, subscribe, join us if you haven't already in the free Discord. We would love to have you join the Otter Gang. Let's spin the Otter, and you guys know how it goes. Otter's pointing down and to the right, just like we were calling it the other day. We were like, this is looking bearish. You can check the last video. Proof is in the pudding. We got a red X on Bitcoin, and you can see the money flow is in the red, and the daily is dumping, okay? And we're getting oversold, and we're coming up to this key level of support, okay? Key level of support here at 25.2, and we have some levels below us. Now, what are those levels? We have this bear weekly, okay? Go over to the weekly. We have these bear weekly levels for you guys, so make sure to add these to your charts so that you guys are informed. We have the volume here. We are informing you guys to make sure that you guys are always up to date. We got the volume gap here. We're falling through it. Our next stop is 25.2, okay? As you're very aware, I'm sure. But we have another one here at 23,000 and 21,175, which is our CME gap. These are the areas, okay? We have a key level of volume here that we are trading in for all the way since May, okay? We dropped down, and can we drop further, okay? This is a beautiful flash sale. Remember, we have come down dramatically. We have relieved rally, and we are coming in a capitulation sideways. We were talking about this on Sin City Crypto and what we think is going to happen for the next couple of months to year. And we were talking about a capitulation sideways, depending on what goes on with the markets and adoption of crypto until we get some good news and then off to the bull run, probably around the halving where we start to work. And these This is where we form great trading ranges and great ideas and great times to accumulate bags such as now. Not financial advice, but come on, guys. Everything's in the red. You know what you do on Boxing Day. You go, you buy 2-for-1 deals, and you capitalize, okay? Capitalist society. So much love to every single one of you. Here we go. We got these 3 levels below us, okay? Money flow is in the red. VWAP's below the 0 line. Stochastic is pointing down, okay? Very key things to note. We have come down. We are looping down. We will wait and see a reaction at these lower prices here, right? And we'll see if we can put in lower lows. We want to see the market structure here make lower lows, right? In order to continue downwards and challenge the levels below, okay? We're going to wait and see that. We're also going to watch for a bounce. Can we get the bounce? You can see that we've had quite a nice bounce on ADA, on Avalanche. You can see it did come down to $9.70. Now, all you people out there who have been like, I want lower prices, I want to buy at lower prices, well, don't hesitate, my friends. Don't hesitate. I mean, for me, I have bought a bunch of ADA here around 22 cents. Not financial advice, but I dropped a bit more into my bag because for me, we are below the SPF lows, okay? We are below any low that we've previously had throughout this entire range, okay? So for me, I'm happy to buy here. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I am, okay? Same with Avalanche. I've added to my bags here. If you're bullish on any of your projects, you're a believer, and you've done your own research, this is not a time to hesitate. This is a time to build wealth for you, your family, and others, okay? Yes, there's blood in the streets. Yes, this is scary. Yes, you can always get lower prices. But if you have done your TA and you do your due diligence, you can accumulate and be profitable in the long term if you're a long-term holder. If you're a trader, we'll get into that as well. Okay, back over to Bitcoin. As we go through the time frames here, we'll get rid of this bear weekly, right? We have the bullish weekly, but we won't really take a look at that. The only thing with the bullish weekly, if we get rid of the bear weekly, we do have this key support line here that we were talking about where we could come down and test and get a bounce, okay? So everything is going into Bitcoin dominance. We've come down to this trend line. Can we get a bounce or at least trail along this trend line? We'll wait and see to find out, right? We'll wait and see and find out. We know that there's volume down here that's going to hold us up, and we do know that everybody is going into Bitcoin, okay? Into Bitcoin, but this has been very bearish. Gary Gensler throwing down the big, huge hammer in the crypto market, trying to weed us out, right? We need to remain strong. We need to fight the good fight. Okay, so as we work down through these time zones, we can see that there is very much a downwards kind of wedge everybody's talking about. You can see this wedge. We can be like, okay, let's trade the wedge. It's going to break to the upside. Massive move all the way up to, you know, whatever you want to call it. Back up to the highs, maybe 32K. So that's a bullish idea. But right now, everything's bloody, and we are going into the weekend, okay? I need to remind you guys that volume is low on the weekend. They have dumped this while America sleeps. I am in Australia, so I'm fortunate enough that it's only 5:25 in the afternoon, and I was able to watch this and accumulate some bags along the dump. So, yes, let's prepare for some sideways action. Woohoo! Okay? Oh, man, I'm so pumped. I love when the market does this stuff just because I can inform you guys. I can keep you guys updated that we are heading downwards. There might be a buying opportunity for you, not financial advice. Obviously, we got to drill that home so that we don't get canceled. But you know what I'm saying, my friends, this is beautiful, okay? Blood diamond, massive drop here on Bitcoin. Right now, we'll look for this to hold, but if we are looking for anything, it would be that curl over, okay? Look, it's come down, tested these lows, okay? Possible push back up. And we've seen that with the other assets, the push back up after such an extreme drop. Look at Matic. Look at this, okay? We are low. So where's our targets? Where are our targets? We want to talk about targets, so we'll go through targets. Ethereum, target, simple. Keep it simple, stupid as they say, right? So we pull this across. We look at our volume area. We have not come back into this massive node here. We got 2 nodes. Okay, we got the massive node above us here is where we would expect Ethereum to come back down to into this point of control. We are below the value area high, and we would look for price to come around the 1500s. For me, very nice area, right? If we do continue very bearish, okay, very bearish, right? You can see the trend line here, right? If we continue very bearish, right, and we lose this trend line, we can drop down and we'll be looking for shorts, but also we'll be looking to fill up our bags as price comes down to this area. Hey, Mrs. Otter, just making a video letting the guys know about blood in the streets and how to fill up the bags and target areas I'm looking to accumulate. Because we're accumulating, right, Miss? Mrs. Otter. So that's my thoughts for Ethereum. Around 1500, just pull a simple volume area. And if we do come lower than this, you know, maybe DCA if we continue lower. DCA would be a suggested idea here. This is what I would be doing as we continue lower, okay? Same with Bitcoin. We go out to the daily with Bitcoin. You can see we pull the volume, right, of this massive range that we've had for so long, right? And look at this. We have this volume node here that we identified with that bull thing and those bull with the bull weekly time frame here, right? And you can see that this CME gap would be a target area as well to the downside, okay? Make sure to add these levels to your charts, my friends. 2175, 175, beautiful CME gap. So these are the areas we're targeting if price continues to drop. That doesn't mean that we can't just stop right here and continue upwards. Remember, weekend volume very low, okay? Weekend volume very low, and we can see that very simply if we zoom in here on the Friday. There's the Friday. Look at this. Very, very low, very low, very low, right? So we want to be very careful in the next coming days of what's to come, okay? Very careful, but an opportunity nonetheless. Now, Matic. Where are we looking on Matic? Well, Matic, obviously, people are like, oh, 30-cent Matic. Come on, 30 cents is the way, right? For me, Matic's at a great spot too, right? So let's just be informed. Let's make good decisions. Remember, we're in this for the long run. If you're bullish on these products, I mean, Matic just did a deal with Nike, right? Avalanche did a deal with Amazon, right? These things aren't going anywhere. Ethereum, massive, right? Bitcoin, massive. So if you believe in these projects, you've done your own research, there is opportunities to be had. Decentralized, you know, ADA, decentralized, Shiba Inu. I mean, is Elon going to get Shiba payments on Twitter? I mean, let's go. Alts are bleeding. Go check out David, Lunar Beaches Crypto, okay? My man over here. Look at the market cap. Boom. Massive, right? We talked about that earlier on the show. So let's stay informed. Let's be prepared. And remember, next week, if we go over here and we pull up our CME Fed watch tool and we look here, we can simply see what is the Fed telling us. They're saying there's 70% chance there's no rate hike coming next week. This is Tuesday. And if you go over to economic calendar here that we always have ready to fire off. So we have the data report coming at you guys on Wednesday, okay? You can see this here, interest rate decision. We got Jerome Powell where he gets to wear his little cape and be a little superstar and try to save the market, okay? We could get no rate hike, which means bullishness, means pausing, which means possible back to printing money. Gary Gensler fighting tooth and nail to get rid of crypto, to bring in this digital dollar, which we all want to be aware of. So let's protect ourselves. Let's grab some bags while prices are low so that we can make profits in the next bull run. I hope this video gets to you guys well. I hope you guys all have a blessed and lovely weekend. Just a quick update for you guys. Let's watch these levels. If Bitcoin loses this, we can be looking for those lower prices. Always stay informed. Always do your own research. But guys, this is scary, but this is also an opportunity. God bless you. Hope you guys stay well. We'll see you guys in the next zone, and I'll see you in the Discord. Peace out. Bye.